We are driven, and we are driven by our targets as a team and the targets from the president of the club. This tournament over the weekend, it's about honoring the great Mangosuthu, the great leader, and also it's about giving all the players the platform to showcase their talents. We are appealing to all the supporters to come in numbers and support the team, more especially in Zululand.
It's always tough to accept losses, but it's part of the game. It's something that we have to grasp and learn from it because it's part of the game and something that it's always going to be there. Can't run away from it. But positive, the guys are back on track. I think it's all in the past now. Focusing on the next games, and we'll start with the cup that we're going to play in Ulundi, which is very important for us also.
Okay, going to the Prince Mangosuthu Legacy Cup, for me personally, I want to win alone, as a team, as a group. So nje kubalekile ukuthi siyoba siyalaphana siyelukuyowina siyela nje ukuyoveza ibheji or ukuyobonisa ukuthi sikhona. But umsebenzi wethu njengoba siyalapha ukuthi siyobonisa ukuthi AmaZulu iClub enkulu.